finished when we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now here you're going to bring in the foot and switch when there is no melody, when there's no piano. We have to think of it as 1, 2, 3, 4, breathe, and we're ready to do another lace. So cross, side, behind, side, cross, and point diagonally. Then turn to this direction and repeat the lace the other way, cross, side, back, side, cross, and point. Turn to the side again diagonally and do it again. Okay, because the melody goes like that. That's 3 times so far. 1 to the right, 1 to the left, 1 to the right. The 4th time, instead of doing a lace, we're gonna go back, side and prepare the body, open, turn and open, head, head. Okay, so if we were going from the last part, da 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 da, and bam 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 bam, bam 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 bam, bam 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 bam, bam 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 bam. You get the head right there. Now I would say there is this little extra part that I did after the lace. So when you come into the turn and you hit the accents of the 2 notes, bum, bum, here we're going circle, circle, 1, 2, 3. That's left shoulder, right shoulder, left shoulder. So 1, you do, do. Then we repeat 1, 2, but this time we have 4 notes up for the shoulders, and we do it lifting circular, going back, front, back, and then the head flicks up. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah? If we take it from our beginning of this video, we have dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum, dum 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 dum. Then it goes dum 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 dum. Dum 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 dum. Then we have 3 twos. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, and we go jump, 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 jump. It's quite fun to do. At the same time, we pretend we have a conga, you know, the one the congalleros play in salsa, and we smack it with it. So we're going 1, 2, pam, 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 pam. Yeah. We open up the hands, palm, and then turn the head to the left, and then shoulder, shoulder. So from here, it goes dee 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 dee. Yes? I hope that makes sense. Put it with the music. Now it goes a little bit more difficult here. I have a hard time even showing it to the students. I hope it shows from the video. From here, after you go ding ding, I will put music. So you already saw it before when I danced it. You chest out circularly, whatever you say. Then you do a body wave downwards. Remember to check the body wave. So from here we go like that. We bend it in the hands. We do a wave. Then we stand up on the toes. And we play with the knees to the right, to the left, to the right, but in this direction. Bingity, 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 and wave up. When you wave up, you bring your one hand and you grab an invisible pole on your left side and on your right side. So as you're going knees, 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 up, grab, grab, then head, head. It will take some practice, so you will practice from here. 1, 2, 1, 2, 1, 2, open, head, shoulder, shoulder, then we go round, body wave, tip, 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 roll up, grab, grab, head, head. Alright? I'll show that with the music soon enough as well, so you can practice it and rewind it, but I want to show a little bit more. We're going jiggy, 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 jiggy. Does that make sense? Because that's how the piano goes. So we're imitating this. Keep all your weight over the right. Your left heel is always up. Don't ever bring it down like that. Keep it up. So after you finish here, you want to go straight away from da 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 dee 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 dee. Shaky, 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 shaky. That's about 8 of them if you want to count there. It's the shake and one more. Now we're walking backwards. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Those are a lot of steps, so I'll do them a little bit slower and tell you what I'm doing instead of counting. Cross, back, back, side, back, cross, side, heel, heel, down, down, cross, up, and extend. I don't want to get it too confusing, so I'll do it continuously as well. D D D D D D D D D D D D D, and you'll hear it the way it goes with the music. This is slow. You gotta practice with me. Last 2. This way. Now the next part is in, step, out, in, step, out. Now we try not having this up. Da, 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 try to get that fast. Move your hand. Then practice to the other side. Crossing a little, step on the spot, open. Step, cross, step, cross. And try to give the accent the most power when the left steps. Boom, boom. And that's what we do from here. After we go boom, boom, it goes da 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 da. One more time. Da 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 da. And we do 3 times. Da 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 da. And we lift up the leg, the other one, and that's the pause until the da 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 comes again. And we go da 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 da. Then we cross, step to the side, and hands together. Now the piano starts doing rolls. So we start rolling with the body. This is not so difficult. We bend down the wrist, lift up the elbows, shoulders, and then after the shoulders, the chest, the belly, the hip, and down. So from here we're going descending and down. Now we go to 9 o'clock the hip. We do a full circle, and as we bring the hip, we roll up. That's the side wave. Rolling up is hip, rib cage, and head. So the circle goes this way and up. Now let's take it one more time from the do-do-do-do. 1, 2, 3, and lift. 1, 2, 3, and lift. Step. You're ready. Here comes the roll. There's going to be a little pause, but you'll get it. We roll down, hip, and bring up. As we bring up, we lift the left hand up, bend like that. 1, 2, 3, 4, and you come and you stay here. You don't want to overpass it. So after this, you're counting 1, 2, it's like forming a bubble with your hands, 3, 4, keep this left hand straight and wave this one like hello, and as you're waving, start putting it back with the elbow. At the same time, bend and go down, like so. And when we bend and go down, we're going to use this. If you're in the front and you need to travel the most, you will do 2 turns, low, keep your body low. But when you're moving backwards, that's the rewind sound. Now I will do it for you, the whole thing, the whole piano with music.